Have you ever received a set of data that has a bunch of blanks in it that you can't run a filter off of, that you can't create a pivot table because the data is incomplete? Let me show you how to fix it. I'm Katie with Excel with Katie, and let's get started. There are two ways that we can fill in the blanks within our data. There's a long way and then a short way. I'm going to show you the long way first, and then we'll get into the shortcut version, which is my favorite. So the long way to do it. Simply, we can copy and paste. So here you can see my data set. I want to fill in East all the way down, and I want to fill in New York all the way down till row 12 there. So let's show you how to do it. So I'm going to select my East region. I'm going to hit Control-C on my keyboard, and then I'm going to drag my mouse down. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard. And then I'm going to hit Control-V and just copy it down like that. Same thing with New York, Control-C and copy it down. Okay, so you can go through your data and just fill it in like this, one by one. This is super inefficient, it's slow, and it wastes time. Let's show you a better way to do it. Now, the second way to do this, the quick way, and the way that I most recommend, what you're going to do, you're going to click in your data, and then you're going to select Control-A on your keyboard. This will select all of your data. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go up to your Home tab within your ribbon, go all the way over to the right to Find and Select. Click on this, and you're going to go to Special. Click on that, and then what will happen is a pop-up box will appear, and within the pop-up box, you're going to select the blanks option. Then hit OK. And what you can see now is in column C and D, all of our blanks are highlighted. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to hit equals, and I want it to fill in whatever is above it. So I'm going to hit equals, and then I'm going to use my up arrow key on my keyboard and select the cell above it. And then this is where the magic comes. You're going to hit Control, Enter on your keyboard. And when you do this, all of the blanks are filled in with what's above it. How cool is that? It's awesome. Super easy, helps save time. Who wouldn't want to use this trick? So please share this with all of your colleagues, your boss even, if they don't know how to do this. And then like this video, subscribe to my channel for more free Excel content, and comment below with any additional videos you'd love to see. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.